Hey, I wanted to hop on here and just talk to you a second. I just got up, I don't know, an hour or so ago, got my morning chores done, fixed my coffee, and made my bed, and now I'm back here, all comfortable, sitting on my bed, getting ready to get some work done, because that's where I choose to work. I do have an office and a desk, but I like to do it here. Anyway, so that's the perk, one of the perks of working from home. But I put a post up, and it was talking about a program that I'm doing that I bought a training that was less than $100. I really can't remember exactly how much it was. But because I bought that training, and actually I bought 3 different ones from 3 different people on the same thing, because different people teach differently and I learn differently. So it's good for me to get it from different perspectives, okay? Because of that, I'm making, and I'm not doing this anywhere near where I should be doing it, but I'm making anywhere between $30 and $70 a day, okay? Sometimes I do it, work it, sometimes I don't. What it is, it's doing reviews of products. No, you do not have to buy the products to do the reviews, but these products have to be sold on Amazon. If they're sold on Amazon, doesn't matter where you got the product from, you can still review it and get in on this. My whole point of this video really is to tell you that if you're looking for a legit, not a scam, way to make money from home, that's simple and it's fun. And my grandkids love to help me with this. They want to get in and help me. And this is something I can teach them to do. I don't see this going away for many, many, many years. I can't guarantee you're going to make any money, but I can tell you that I am. And that it is a refreshing way to make money, because after all these many, many years of the network marketing and different things that I have done, which has been great, and I still love that, I've moved on. I don't have to deal with people with this. So I did put a post up telling you about it, telling you about the training. Got the 3 different ones. You can get 1, 2, or 3 of them. That's up to you. You can get none. But here's the deal. If you don't get the training and you don't go through it like I did, please don't expect me or anybody else to show you exactly how to do it. That's not fair. Because we put in the sweat and the tears, and we put out the money to get the training to learn how to do it. And let me tell you, it's all 3 of the different trainings I got. I want to say they were each under 100, or right at 100. I'm not sure. I got some of the same stuff from each person, but I got different nuggets from each person too, each training. Now, if you would like those trainings, other than the one that I have posted, hit me up. I'll give you the link and you can check it out. Do I make some money on you buying the training? Yeah, a little bit. Don't know exactly what I make. Maybe $30. I can't remember exactly what it is. And that's it. That's a one-time thing. But it is so worth the training. And this is, again, I'm going to emphasize this. Legit, not a scam, fun way that anybody with a phone and internet can make money reviewing products, everyday products. So I hope this has helped you. I'm going to go review some products and see how much money I made while I was sleeping. And I will talk to you soon. But you can click on the link in my whatever bio list under here, wherever you may be seeing this. You can send me a message. I will be there to support you once you've been through the training and let you know what's working and what's not working with me. I hope you have a great day, and whatever path you choose, make it a good one, and always, always, always choose happy. See you soon.